Welcome to the production masterclass for our Aloe Vera Face Wash. Our objective is a gentle, natural cleanser that removes dirt and impurities without stripping the skin's moisture barrier. This formulation is designed for universal applicability. Because it is enriched with aloe vera, it hydrates and soothes all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. For a batch to be considered successful, it must meet two target parameters: a clear to light green appearance, and a balanced pH level between 5.0 and 5.5. Achieving this premium daily use standard requires moving beyond basic mixing. We must adhere to precise commercial formulation standards to ensure stability and safety. This table provides the exact specifications required to produce a 1 kilogram batch of face wash. We begin with the hydration base: 300 grams of concentrated aloe vera gel, 400 grams of distilled water as our solvent, and 30 grams of vegetable glycerin for moisture retention. Next is the surfactant phase. This requires 150 grams of cocoa glucoside and 60 grams of decyl glucoside for cleansing, plus 20 grams of sodium cocoyl isethionate and 15 grams of cocamidopropyl betaine to enhance the foam. Finally, we add our finishing agents: 10 grams each of panthenol and sodium chloride for repair and thickening, followed by 5 grams each of citric acid solution, preservative, and optional essential oil. To handle these ingredients, you will need a digital scale, beakers, mixing bowls, and stirring tools. It is an absolute necessity to sterilize all equipment and containers before you begin. Strict adherence to these exact measurements and sterile protocols is the foundation of a safe, professional product. Step 1 is raw material extraction. Wash your aloe leaves, remove the green skin entirely, and scoop out only the clear inner gel. Isolating only the pure, clear gel is critical. Including any of the outer leaf can lead to organic contamination or unwanted discoloration in the final wash. Step 2 addresses the texture. Blend the extracted gel until it is completely smooth, then pass it through a fine strainer to remove any remaining solids. This is a mandatory step. Thorough straining is the only way to eliminate lumps and guarantee the smooth base required for a commercial-grade product. In Step 3, combine the strained aloe gel with your distilled water and glycerin in a beaker. Stir well to ensure they are fully integrated. This creates a homogeneous water face. This base is necessary to properly suspend the cleansing agents we will add in the next stage. Step 4 introduces our primary cleansers: cocoa glucoside and decyl glucoside. You must mix these glucosides with extreme gentleness. If you stir too vigorously, you will create premature bubbling that is difficult to remove. By controlling your agitation now, you ensure the final product remains a dense, premium gel rather than a foamy liquid. For Step 5, add the sodium cocoyl isethionate and cocamidopropyl betaine. Maintain a steady, slow stir until the mixture is well combined. These secondary agents are essential for boosting the foam profile during use without causing irritation to the consumer's skin. Step 6 is for consistency. Add the panthenol and sodium chloride and watch the solution closely as you stir. You should see the mixture visibly thicken. This slight change in viscosity is the key visual cue that the product's structural integrity is correct. In Step 7, carefully add the 10% citric acid solution to the beaker. This adjustment is what brings the mixture into the skin-safe pH range of 5.0 to 5.5 that we targeted during the planning phase. Step 8, gently mix in your chosen preservative and the optional essential oil for fragrance. Adding the preservative transitions this from a temporary prototype to a commercially viable product with a shelf life of 12 to 18 months. Step 9 is the critical quality control check. Physically verify both the final pH and the consistency, making micro-adjustments if the batch is outside of our target parameters. Passing this final verification guarantees the batch is safe, effective, and ready for the market. Finally, in Step 10, transfer the finished gel into clean pump bottles. This must be done in a sanitized environment to prevent contamination. Hygienic transfer and proper labeling are the final defenses against product degradation before it reaches the end user. This process yields a complete 1 kilogram batch of face wash, ready for distribution. There are several packaging options for this viscosity, including standard pump bottles, flip-top bottles, squeeze tubes, and foaming pumps. Regardless of the style, you must use airtight, properly sealed containers to maintain the product's shelf life and quality. Because your production cost is approximately 21 pesos per bottle, with a suggested retail price between 69 and 99 pesos, this precise manufacturing process results in a market-ready product with a high profit margin. For complete product kits, contact ThinkSmartPH@google.com. Join us in our next session as we formulate a matching aloe vera conditioner.